So, how dirty do your dryer vents really get? Most people never see what we see. Here at SureVent, we've encountered it all. Years of trapped lint hidden behind louvers, roof terminals that were never designed to handle real airflow, and dense lint buildup packed so tightly inside the duct line, it completely chokes the system. You might say, we're experts in the lint department. Whether it's lint caught in flaps and screens, the ROM-style vent cap, or a solid ball of lint buried deep where no homeowner tool can reach, it's gotta go. We don't just clean vents. We restore airflow. We open the airways and let your system breathe again, the way it was designed to. At SureVent, we use only professional, commercial-grade equipment and tools. Because shortcuts don't belong in your home or building. You deserve to feel sure about the services you contract. You deserve SureVent Incorporated.